Yes, what is the matter?
No, ma'am. I was solving one question, and there we had to find the value of x.
Is X
So,
on my face? Why are you looking at my face?
ma'am, I started remembering my x. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'll not look at your face, ma'am.
Yes,
I'll
but don't
solve.
look down also.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. So how will I find the value of x? Okay, ma'am. I will try to find the value of x.
Good. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. I'm sure all of you are going through this last minute anxiety and panic attack before your TCS NQT exam. But for helping you a little more and explaining as to how you could take the TCS exam according to the DRC, Pratik sir and I are here with a video where we will explain to you as to what your do's and don'ts are for the purpose of this exam. So only for the purpose of this exam, Pratik sir is going to be the student and I'm going to be the teacher. So we will take you through what your do's and don'ts would be for your upcoming exam tomorrow.
And definitely, this is going to reduce your anxiety before your examination. So you have to be cool, watch the video, enjoy, and then go and attempt the TCS examination. Okay.
Perfect.
So the theme is I'm going to write the examination, and as TCS is going to monitor how we are writing the examination, our eyes are, we are looking down or looking up. So based on that, we are trying to make a video. So being a candidate, yeah. So I have a laptop and the screen where I'll be. So this is my laptop. So where I'll be writing the examination. And now let us start. So my exam has started. I'm feeling thirsty.
Yes, why are you having water 2 times? Do you not know the rules of the exam? You're only supposed to have water once. You can't be so thirsty during your TCS
And this was
exam.
not mentioned in the DRC.
You will get disqualified. Don't argue with me. Yes, what is the matter? Why are you blinking your eyes so many times? You've already blinked 7 times in the last 30 seconds.
Ma'am, I'm solving the questions.
Do you want to get disqualified?
No, ma'am, no, no. So blinking the
You
eye
can't
also.
blink 10 times.
10, ma'am, something had gone to my eyes and I was,
I'm
and
sorry, you can't blink. This is TCS exam.
okay, ma'am, I will not blink my eyes.
Yes, Pratik, what is the matter? You've moved 0.5 inch from your sitting position. Do you not know this is not allowed?
Ma'am, I'm sitting continuously in the same position from 30 minutes.
This is my final warning to you. If you shift once more, you will be disqualified.
Okay, ma'am, that 0.5 inch now I have compensated. Shall I continue, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. What will be the value of y if 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 and the line is
Excuse
crossing?
me, who are you talking to?
Ma'am, I'm reading the
Who are you
question.
talking to? This is
I'm,
an exam.
ma'am, I was just reading the question, ma'am.
You are reading the question and you're smiling also.
Ma'am,
Negative marks will be allotted.
ma'am, for this negative marks, I just read some three.
Absolutely. You can't smile during the exam.
Sorry, ma'am, I'm really sorry. I will not read anything. I'll solve in my mind itself. And I'm not talking to anyone. Nobody is there here, so you can see in the camera also. Thank
Please
you, ma'am.
continue your exam.
Thank you, ma'am. ओके 4 हो गया. मेरा
Hmm.
व्हाट्सअप शायद ऑन है लैपटॉप में साउंड आ रहा है. ओके.
Where's the mask? अच्छा अब इसमें मैं मास्क पहनूं.
आप मास्क पहनिएगा. अभी रुक जाइए, अभी नहीं. wear a mask. Candidates wears a mask. Candidate is not allowed to wear a mask. Corona is not for a student. Then using pen and paper to solve the question. Show me that what you are writing. तो पहले मैं कुछ डायग्राम बनाऊंगा, उसके बाद लिखूंगा. आई डोंट नो हाउ टू सॉल्व, प्लीज हेल्प. आप ऐसे पढ़ दीजिएगा. आई डोंट नो how to solve.
Why are you wearing your mask during the exam?
Ma'am, you also wore the mask, right? Corona.
COVID-19 will not happen to students. Remove your mask.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I thought COVID-19 will be for everyone.
No, it is not for students, especially not for students sitting for TCS exam.
Sorry, ma'am. Shall I continue, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Syllogism questions. Okay, Venn diagram.
Show me what are you writing.
Ma'am, I'm solving syllogism question. So this Venn diagram.
Okay, solve. What are you writing now? I don't know how to solve. Please help.
Yes, ma'am. This question I don't know how to solve.
Yes, what is the matter?
No, ma'am. I was solving one question, and there we had to find the value of x. So
Is X on my face? Why are you looking at my face?
ma'am, I started remembering my x. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'll not look at your face, ma'am.
Yes,
I'll
but don't
find.
look down also.
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. So how will I find the value of x? Okay, ma'am. I will try to find the value of x.
Good.
Okay.
Excuse me, what did you just do?
I'm sanitizing my hand, pen, and paper, and laptop.
You are not supposed to sanitize or look down. Do you
Ma'am,
not know this?
ma'am, I'm not looking down. I just, but in the DRC, ma'am, it is not mentioned that we don't have to sanitize, ma'am, because it's a Corona time. And according to the government rule, we have to frequently wash your hands. So I thought I cannot go for restroom as mentioned in DRC. So I was using sanitizers. Sorry, ma'am.
But TCS is an exception.
Sorry, ma'am. I was not aware. Ma'am, I'm not disqualified now because I have done a lot of mistakes. And please, ma'am, don't disqualify me, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I will
You
continue.
will see. Write your exam.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.